Learn how to add contacts across the system by navigating to the mega menu and selecting Add Contact. Input the required contact details in the form. Click Save to create the contact without linking it to a specific customer or site. The newly created contact will now appear in the Contacts list view. Open a job record and navigate to the Contacts widget to view the list of associated contacts. Click the Add Contact button to create a new contact from this location. Select the option to link the new contact to the relevant customer and choose an appropriate customer role. Link the contact to a specific site and select the corresponding site role. The contact is now successfully linked to both the customer and the site. Open a customer record and navigate to the Contacts widget. Click the Add Contact button to create a new contact directly associated with this customer. Follow the same process to add the contact details and link the new contact to a specific site. Next, open a site record and navigate to its Contacts widget to add another contact. Click the Add Contact button within the site's Contacts widget. Alternatively, switch to the site view and click the Add Plus button in the top panel. Enter the contact details in the form and link the new contact to the current site. Select the appropriate role and save your changes to finalize the process. The contact is now successfully created and linked to the site from the top panel.